You can start drawing lines while in 2D view to automatically enter sketch mode. To finish drawing a line, simply lift your pen. To set an exact length to the line, select the dimension label and then enter a value in the numpad. To draw connecting lines, start drawing from the endpoint of the previous line. To change between line and arc, choose from the Line Type menu. Or, while in automatic mode, simply wiggle your pen while drawing. To define the angle and radius of the arc, select the relevant dimension labels and enter values in the numpad. To create a closed shape, connect the last endpoint to your initial endpoint. To finish, select Exit Sketching. In design history, sketches you subsequently create on the same plane generate a single step in the history sidebar. To view or refine history parameters for a specific sketch step, find the step for your sketch action and open the expandable card. From there, you can modify the plane and projection parameters for your sketch. To change the plane where you want your sketch to be, click or tap, edit or select the side plane. Choose a new plane or face and then select Done to finish. If you have existing linked projections on your sketch, indicated in purple, you will find a summary of the items below the projection parameter. To edit the projections on your sketch, click Edit and then select or deselect the items you want to include or exclude. To finish, select Done. To learn more about projections and the Project tool, visit our Project video.